Well, guys, 3 or 4 of you spotted this on eBay, and as always, I appreciate you guys pointing out locks. I can't see all of them, and so anytime you help me find something, I really do appreciate it. This one is supposed to be an Italian army lock. I spent 3 years in Italy myself, in Vicenza. I have no idea what the FF.AA stands for, though. Can't begin to guess. Here's what your key looks like. Looks like about a 4-pinner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4-pinner. So this is probably not what you call a high security lock. It does work perfectly. We'd probably be able to shim it. We'll give that a try. Probably for foot lockers, perhaps, or maybe duffel bags, things like that. The first thing that pops into my mind is, is it wrappable? When I see a little lock like this, it doesn't look to be made with real tight tolerances. So let's try to wrap it and then see if we can get it open that way. So, nope, I'll hold that off the bench. Don't make quite so much noise. No luck. I'm gonna try hitting the body. Nope. I'm not going to hit this side because you can see where they've installed the plugs, and I'm afraid if I do that, the plugs will pop out, which is not what we want before we try to pick it. That would make picking easier for sure. All right, let's do the other trick. Let's try to shim it. So we're going to need a couple of little undamaged, preferably without cat hair. Get that off of there, and let's give that a shot. All right, so that side is shimmed. Let me find another small one. Try that guy. May not fit. Oh, yeah, there we go. It does fit. I think it's open. Yep, there we go. We got it open with shimming, so we kind of knew that was going to happen, though, right? All right, let's check one more thing. Let's see if it is. Let's get these guys out of here. Let's see if it is bypassable. See if it is shielded internally. So I'm going to take a probe. Just shove it in there. I can feel the actuator on this side. So let me pull on the shackle and see if I can move them one at a time. Now I don't feel one on the right though. I can definitely feel the actuator on the left, but he's springy, so the one on the right I just can't get at. All right, so it is kind of shielded, so it's not going to let us get in that way. That's cool. Let's see. Let's try to pick it. We'll just try to pick it. Yeah. Let's try bottom of the keyway. Let's try to rake it. Let's see if it's shielded the other way first, as an afterthought. And it is. Okay, cool. They got part of it right. All right, that is about the right size. Maybe not. I may have to use top of the keyway in this little guy. Let's grab my favorite pick, the rake. He may be too big to fit in there, though. So let's take his little brother, the worm. This little guy from Sparrows. Yeah, we may have to use top of the keyway here, guys. And there we go. Yeah, nothing to it. Just for fun. Let's go ahead and grab a random pick here. Let's grab a 25,000. Let's grab that guy. If I can get the tensioner to cooperate, it keeps rolling around the edge there. Let's take the smallest one and see if he'll work. Yeah, there we go. Gives us even more room to work. Slide him in. Basically force these pins. And there we go. Yeah, no security pins, but we really didn't expect it. It's a nice little lock. It was like $12 off of eBay. I would put it on par with, say, a master lock, which is not bragging, but, for Italian lock, I guess not that bad. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal. And no, I wouldn't buy it again.